Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video on the delivery site as we go over the different aspects and features of this page. To start right at the top here, you'll notice this large banner. This is because this is for your eyes only and you are not to share this, as anyone with this link can access different aspects such as being able to edit your profile or edit the property details from here. So it is important that this page is not shared. It is for your purposes only. With that said, as stated, you can edit your profile from here. You can edit the property details from here, as well as use AI generation to generate a property description for you. Just above, you can also make a payment. You can view your invoice, and there are quick links right at the top here to take you to different portions of this page. As you scroll down, you'll see the property information listed. It's currently available. You have the property website and virtual tour links that will be both branded and non-branded here. And when you're looking to share those on social media, you can use this quick button right here and then share it directly from this page. Over here, we have marketing, and you'll be able to access the different marketing materials that are available, such as social cards or flyers. Just below that, you have QR code generation. You can get one for the virtual tour and the property website, as well as download your social media video or the associated YouTube video. So these two buttons right here would be the zipped portion of what you see here. And so if you wanted to collect all of these in one go, you can simply click one or the other. And the resize photos are something that you can apply to your MLS right away. If you click on one, you'll be able to enlarge it and you can scroll over from here, as well as quickly download it right at the top. Clicking here, you can download them individually as HD or resized. And if we scroll down a little further, you'll see the traffic report. And this is where you can get detailed information about these pages from the property website and virtual tour as far as clicks and collect valuable information in regards to that. So if you have an additional email you'd like to add, you can do that right here. And you can also click this link right here and be able to view that traffic report. That is essentially it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any further questions on the delivery site, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.